Everyone. Myself, Professor Kinal Parma, and today we'll be studying about probability and statistics. So first, we'll be studying about what is basic probability. So what do we mean by probability? Probability means possibility or chance that an event will occur. Suppose we take some events and we want to know what is the possibility or what is the chance of occurrence of that event, then that is what we call it as a probability. So before knowing how to get the probability for any event, we must know few basic terminologies that we'll be using in terms of probability. So we have something called as probability spaces. So the first thing is sample space. So what is the sample space? So sample space is a collection of all the possible events related to our experiment. So for example, if we take an experiment of tossing of a coin, then our sample space will contain two elements. One is head, another tails. So sample space is a collection of all the possible outcomes for our experiment. If we take experiment of rolling of a die, then the sample space will contain 6 elements. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So sample space is collection of all the possible outcomes. Then next we must know what is an event space. So event space is the event for which we are finding the probability. So for example, if we take tossing of a coin, and if I want to find the probability of getting an head, then my event space is an element of getting an head. So there is only one chance of getting an head. So event space will contain only one element, that is H. So if I want to find probability of getting an head, then it will be N of A upon N of S. N of A is number of elements in the event space, and N of S is the number of elements in the sample space. So here in the example of tossing of a coin, our N of A will be 1 and N of S will be 2. N of A is only H and N of S is heads and tails both. So it will be 1 by 2. Now when we will be doing some complicated example, we will need the permutation and combination. So for that I have listed this formula which we will be using in further lectures. Now these are a few examples how to write the sample space. So first example is tossing of a coin. So we'll have two possible outcomes, heads and tails. So our sample space will have two elements, H and T. Second example is tossing of two coins. So if we are tossing two coins, our sample space will contain elements HH. That is, both the coins will have head, or HT, one head, one tails, or we have TH, that is one tails, one head, or TT, that is two tails. Third example is of throwing of a die. So if you are throwing of a die, there are 6 possible outcomes. So our sample space will contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if we are throwing 2 die, then our sample space will contain 36 elements. So here our elements will of the type pairs for both the die, that is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, like this. We go up to 6, 6. So that we can find out by using a formula, that is N of S can be given by N raised to K. N is the number of possible outcome and K is the number of elements. So number of possible outcome for die is 6, and if we are using 2 die, it will be 6 raised to 2, so 36. So we'll take one example of finding probability. So if I want to find probability of getting 2 heads while tossing a coin twice, so now we are tossing a coin twice, 2 times, and I want to find the probability. What is the probability that I'll get 2 heads? So here my sample space will be H, H, that is 2 heads, or HT, heads and tails, or TH, tails, heads, and the last one is TT, that is tails, tails. Now my event is getting a 2 heads. So getting 2 heads, there is only one possibility.
So my event space A will have only one element, that is HH. So number of elements in event space is 1 and number of elements in sample space is 4. So my N of A is 1 and N of S is 4. So our formula for finding probability is N of A upon N of S. So probability of our event A, that is getting 2A, will be 1 by 4. So this is how we can find the probability of any event by using our basic formula.